Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at this 2003 Hot Wheels 5-pack called the Flag Flyers. And we're also going to look at some other examples of the castings that are in this 5-pack. Except for the top one. The top one represents the USA, Team USA. And I think it's a fantasy casting. I think it's called Muscle Tone. I don't have any other examples. I don't collect a lot of fancy castings. The reason I think why they did that is probably because at Mattel they could not agree on what car to put in there. Because you have Ford fans, you have Chevrolet fans, and everyone has its own favorite American brand. So they put in a vehicle, a fancy car that represents the muscle car, because maybe they agreed on the fact that the muscle car is the ultimate American vehicle and that a muscle car should represent the United States. Who knows? Second one is the black VW New Beetle Cup. This one was released in 2002. It was the first time it appeared in a 5-pack in 2003, this one. It also appeared in the VW 5-pack in 2009 in orange. And it also appeared in the 2016 Night Burners one, also in black, so you can see it. Then the next one is the Nissan Skyline. This is a beefed up version of the GTR 32. It also appeared in a 5-pack first time in this one in 2003. In 2004 it was in the Nightbreed 5-pack, and in 2016 it was also in the Night Burners 5-pack. So you can see these two appeared in a 5-pack both together twice. So that's kind of funny. Casting changes. This one no longer a pop-off body, where this does still have the pop-off body, and here it has a wing in the back that is molded into the casting, and here it has a plastic wing. Then the Jaguar XJ, oh by the way, the Skyline was first released in 2002. Then the Jaguar XJ220, released first time in 1993. It has been in 5-packs numerous times. In 93 in the 25th anniversary exotic 5-pack, in 96 in the Super Show Cars 5-pack, 2003 in this one, where there were two versions. There was a wheel variation. This is the gold 10-spoke, and there was also a gold 5-spoke version. Then in the 2007 Exotics 5-pack, 2011 Exotics 5-pack, and 2018 Exotics 5-pack, which I have here, the green version. And in my opinion it still looks good today. I think this is a timeless model that Jaguar made, and it will also appear in 2019. So we're going to see many more of these, I think, in the future. So it has been in a exotic 5-pack no less than 4 times. So that's a lot. And then the bottom one is a bit of a strange one. First up, because it represents Mexico, where this is clearly an American car, but maybe it's made in Mexico, I don't know. It started live in 1984 as the Blown Camaro, and it was produced in that version till 92, and then in 92 it had a casting change. It was renamed to 80s Camaro, and then later on 2011 called 83 Camaro Z or Z28. So it has has had a lot of changes. This one has a plastic body and a metal base. Of course the other countries here you can see in the Great Britain, England, Japan of course for the Nissan, and then Germany for the VW. This kind of packaging, this is by the way a 35th anniversary release, has a little bit of the plastic coming through in the back, so a little bit smaller cardboard here. Flag flyers on top and on the side here. And that's the base. 2002 copyright, 2003 release. So let's try to open it up and take a look at the cars. Luckily the glue is old, so let's go easy. By the way, there's a peg holder in here that slides in and out. I forgot to show that, but anyways, not that important nor interesting. Comes with a card here. 2003 first editions, Golden Arrow. Kind of a collector card. So if you have this model, you can kind of write it down here. I think that's what it's meant for. Okay, never seen this before. Anyways, let's take a look at the cars. So how does this open up? Okay, it's taped together in the back with an extra cardboard piece. And then this is folded around the part where the cars are in. So this is the Muscle Tone, USA, Hot Wheels, Team USA, #1 of course. Then we got the Beetle, Germany, #2. So here you have the little clip for the pop-off body. It says unlock. If you press it down like that, so we got a gold interior. We got these white bars here, roll bars. Got the gold rims. Got another example here. This is an orange one, a bit like the one in the VW 5-pack. Same kind of orange, but different tempo. So this one unlocks too, and you can just switch it over to this one, and then you have a completely different version. Click, and then this one can go in here. Although it doesn't seem to fit very well, but anyways, here you go, and now you have two switched over bodies. So that's kind of cool. Play around with that if you have a bunch of these. Then the Nissan GTR 32. The big flares here on the side. Plastic wing, Japan. Doesn't have a number on it. Oh yes, here it says 3. It's got the air intake in the front here. That's cool. Don't have a loose one. The only other one I have is this yellow one in the 5-pack with the metal wing. This one got the tampos in the back. And on the side, nothing on the roof. Then the Jaguar. This is number 4. Got some nice tampos on the top, all of these. Got a few other versions. This one I showed before, I opened up in a different video. And I got one carded. This is copyright 98, so probably a 99 release. Yeah, because it says here 1999. X-Ray Cruiser series, whatever that may mean. It's not really an X-ray car. Usually when these Monster Jam ones that are X-ray ones, they are kind of see-through, but here that's not the case. Kind of a strange graphics in a blue interior. Not the prettiest version I've ever seen, but anyways. And then the last one. So it's got the metal base. It says Camaro Z28 on the base. Then it has the plastic body, number 5. So got the gold rims. Mexico. So I don't have an example of the original casting with the blown motor and the sunroof. I only have the last version that was ever released of this one, 2016 release. An American card, 2016 and 2017. We got some American cards here in Europe. Don't know how that happened. So again, it here says Camaro Z28, like it said on the packaging at the bottom. It is a little different to the base, as you can see. It's retooled again. So it's got the side view mirrors. Strangely enough, as you can see here, the 2003 version has a little bit of a wing here. 2016 version has lost the wing. Also, the taillights look a little bit different. This one definitely looks more plasticky than this one. This has a metallic gold paint, so at least it looks a little bit as if it could be a metal one. Maybe it is a metal one. No, I think it's plastic. Although, I'm starting to doubt. So it feels much heavier than this one. So this probably is a... yeah, I think it is a metal one. Yeah, it must be. This one's much lighter. So that's cool. These are not to be confused with the IROC Z or Z one. Looks very much alike if you put them on top of each other. You can see the resemblance. It doesn't have the side pipe here. It doesn't have the side view mirrors. And it doesn't have, this one does have, the IROC Z has the inserts, plastic inserts in the hood or bonnet. Front is a little bit different in the grille in the front, the bottom. The tail lights also are a little bit different, but very much alike in many ways. Yeah, this one is definitely heavier than this one, because this one has a plastic base and this one has a metal base, so definitely heavier. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.